Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 2, Class 11C, today, and today we're going to present Indonesian environmental figure Layatania Belai Dejandam. But first, allow us to introduce ourselves. The group members consist of three members, and the first is myself, Kevin Anosyanona Deak, and the second is Salsa Dwi Suci, and the third is Nur Aziza. Okay, short biography of Laetania Belai Dejandam. Laetania Belai Dejandam is an indigenous environmental activist from the Dayak community in Borneo, Indonesia. She works as a climate advocate who focuses on protecting tropical rainforests and defending indigenous land rights by bringing local community perspectives into national and international climate discussions. She is known for representing indigenous youth at global climate forums and for promoting the idea that the environmental protection and human well-being are deeply connected. Through her advocacy, Laetania plays an important role in protecting the environment by highlighting how preserving forests is essential not only for fighting climate change but also for sustaining indigenous cultures and livelihoods. Next, narrative story of Laetania Belai Dejandam. Laetania Belai Dejandam grew up in Borneo, where the forest was an inseparable part of daily life for her and her indigenous Dayak community. From an early age, she saw how the land provided food, shelter, and cultural meaning, but she also witnessed how deforestation and environmental exploitation threatened the balance. These experiences shaped her understanding that environmental destruction was not only an ecological issue but also a social and cultural one that directly affected indigenous people. As she grew older, Laetania decided to turn the awareness into action. She became involved in environmental advocacy, focusing on rainforest protection and indigenous land rights. Rather than speaking only from theory, she spoke. She spoke. Sorry. As she grew older, Laetania decided to turn the awareness into action. She became involved in environmental advocacy, focusing on rainforest protection and indigenous land rights. Rather than speaking only from theory, she spoke from lived experience, bringing the realities of bringing the realities of forest communities uh, into wider conversations conversations about climate change. Her efforts led her to participate in national and international climate forums, where she represented indigenous youth and emphasized the importance of community-based conservation. Next, here is the link explanation video of Light and Ability Dynam, and you can copy and paste it to watch. So I'll be explaining the video of Light and Ability Dynam. The video highlights how she began caring for the environment from a young age, influenced by her Dayak indigenous background and early exposure to forest and river conservation. The footage and the narration outline her growth from local community action to broader climate advocacy, including speaking engagement and campaigns that bring attention to indigenous land rights and ecological protection. Next will be read by Salsa Dwi.
Environmental activists. He organized beach and underwater cleans-up. 2. Simple past tense. Example: his concern began when we saw marine pollution while diving. This experience inspired him to take action. 3. Present perfect tense. Example: he has saved several national and international awards. He has education to thousands of people. There are things that amaze you us. One, she turned life experience into global influence. What's striking is that her activism didn't start from theory or trend following. It came directly from growing up in an indigenous community affected by environmental damage. Many people experience problems, very few translate them into sustained global advocacy. He did that show clarity of purpose, not lack. Two, she speaks for communities that are usually ignored. Most environmental discussions are dominated by policymakers, NGOs, or academics. She brings indigenous perspective into those space and broadcast discussion maps to confront realities they refer to abstract way that takes intellectual confidence and moral courage, especially as a young advocate.
Next will be explained by Nur Aziza.
3. She connects traditional with modern solutions. What impressive is her refusal to frame indigenous knowledge as outdated. She position, positions is as practical, effective, responsive to climate change. That's strategical smart. It challenges the false assumption that programs only comes from modern technology, exposing a blind spot in mainstream environmental thinking. Consolation and opinion. Laitania Belaidejandam is an indigenous environmental activist from the Dayak community in Borneo who advocates for rainforests, protect, protection, and indigenous land rights by bring community perspectives into climate discussion. In my opinion, her work is meaningful because it is based on real experience rather than symbolism, and it shows that active environmental protection must influence the people who have lived in and cared for the forest for generations. Environmental poster slogan: Protects today, live tomorrow. This poster explains how students can help protect the environmental through simple daily action. It encourages reduction, caring for natural by planting trees and not littering, and causing healthy food while reducing food waste.
Okay, for the final poster about Laitania Belaidejandam, as you can see, the poster is about celebrating Laitania Belaidejandam's, and she is a champion of Dayak culture and nature. Thank you for listening to our presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.